Hello, so small video to explain the td9 indicator, which is Thomas Demark sequential. So how it works, it tries to find the top and bottoms reversal points. So it is calculated with candles. So you want to have 9 successive candles that that well, I couldn't tell exactly because it's a little hard to understand and to explain, but it's 9 successive candles that make it a bottom or a top. Okay, so it's a pretty accurate level. Okay, so when it's red, it means that it's supposed to be a bottom. So as we can see, the the candle closed here, and it was a bottom just for some time until it went back down. And what is funny to see is that it is actually now a resistance. Okay, so you can use this in any time frame. Same here, we had the bottom. Well, it's somewhat bottomed here, closed here, and it made the new lows, but it was a support as well. Okay, so we are in a 1 hour time frame. Here we bottomed, and we indeed pumped just after that, and we went back down. Here it was supposed to be a top, okay, and it didn't top. That it happens, you know. It cannot have 100% win rate. So sometimes it is wrong. Okay, sometimes it's wrong. Here it was supposed to be a bottom. Well, it did for some time, but and it was not very good. It would have been better if it was here. Here it's supposed to be a top. It was somewhat of a top, a little too early as well. So basically you can see it's very useful. You can't use it alone, okay? You have to use the price action and maybe other indicators along with it to have a nice, to be able to make some money trading it, okay? So now regarding the daily time frame on Bitcoin, it has been pretty accurate, okay? So okay, I'm not gonna go too far. Okay, that was supposed to be a top, didn't work out. This was a bottom, just for some time. Here we did indeed, it was indeed a top. That was also a top, more like a consolidation. Here we said it would be a top, it was not, okay. But anyways, you wouldn't trade this because you don't want to trend, you don't want to be shorting an uptrend, okay. You see the price go up like that, you see a top, you see the td9 says it is a top, you're not shorting an uptrend, okay. Here it said it was a top as well, but here as well it has been quite a consolidation, and that was wrong as well, wrong. But what was interesting was this. It marked it, and it was pretty much the very top of it. But as I said, it is an uptrend, so you won't short it, okay? But once you saw that we made new lows here and new lower highs, I mean, you could have shorted because this was a confluence, but this was maybe indeed a top, and that the market structure shifted, okay? And by the way, this told us this was a bottom. It indeed has been a bottom for a little bit of time, but when all the way down to here was not a bottom. and as soon as you see price going down like this, like it's pretty much a downtrend on a lower time frame. So maybe you wouldn't trade that, okay? Depends oh man, shit, on how aggressive you are, okay? So yeah, we were daily, please. Okay. Now it told us that was a bottom, and that was indeed almost a bottom. But as I said, price crashed so much that it was hard to tell. Maybe one would have traded this, and that was good play. So here we did top. So you know, it also showed the top here. Basically, that's a really good indicator. Okay, so here you can see it said bottom, and it was indeed a bottom for some time. Here it showed a bottom, and it was a bottom also. It's been a bottom for some time. So it's really good indicator to use, but do not use it on its own because it won't work without a clear market analysis. Okay, you want to analyze market structure as well and maybe other indicators. Okay, so that's it for this video. I hope you liked it, and leave a like if you liked it, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for next videos, because I'm gonna make some videos, some more videos, and I'll drop a link in the description to that will explain how this indicator is calculated. So have a nice day.